What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec Tutorial. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you an application named AIRT Video Enhancer. Using this application, you can easily upscale your low quality video up to 4K. And not only upscaling videos, using that application, you can also denoise your video and denoise your audio. So recently that AIRT Video Enhancer company contacted me and asked me to make a video about their application. They provide me a free license key so that I can test all of their features and let all of you know about their application. So in this video, I'm gonna guide you step by step how you can use the AIRT Video Enhancer application to enhance your low quality video up to 4K, and also you can denoise them, smoother them, and remove the noise from your audios. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. Okay. So guys, right now you can see my computer screen. Now, first of all, what you need to do, you have to download the AIRT Video Enhancer application and install it on your computer. To install that application, open up any of your browser. Then from this video description, go to this link, tinyurl.com/AIRT SSTec. Then press enter, and this short link will redirect you to their AIRT official website. Now from this page, you can easily download the AIRT Video Enhancer application. To download that application, click on free trial. And it should start downloading the installer of the AIRT Video Enhancer. While it's getting downloaded, let's check their premium version. Click on buy now, and you will get that this AIRT Video Enhancer comes in two variants, the standard license and the lifetime license. Also, it's available for Mac operating system. Now, if you want more discount, you can follow another link from this video description, and that is tinyurl.com/AIRTSSTec-discount. Then press enter, and it will open up another page from AIRT Video Enhancer. Scroll down to this page, and from here you will get different type of coupon code for different type of discount. Using this coupon code, you will get up to 36% discount for their application. The company already provided me a free license key to test all of their premium feature and let all of you know about their application. Okay, so guys, downloading has been completed. Now what you need to do, you have to go to your downloads folder, and here you can see we have the exe installer, AIRT Video Enhancer. You have to double click on this application to install that application. Here is the installer screen. Just simply click on install, and it should start installing the AIRT Video Enhancer application on your Windows computer. When the installation gets completed, you will get two options, finish or open. Click on open. Now here you can see it automatically detects my graphics card. If you don't have any graphics card in your computer, it will automatically detect your CPU. I am using AMD Radeon RX 5600 XT graphics card, and that support DirectML. Now click on OK. Now in this screen, you have to activate this AIRT Video Enhancer with the license key. If you don't have any license key, just click on remind me later. The company already provided me a license key, so I'm going to use it here. Here you can see my activation is successful. And this is the user interface of AIRT Video Enhancer. Now first, let me explain the user interface. In this interface, you have to add your videos, whatever you want to upscale, denoise or deblur. You can simply drag and drop your video footage here, or just click on this plus icon and add your videos. From the hardware model, you can select your hardware. You can select your CPU or your graphics card. And from here, you can select different type of models for video enhancement. If you want to know specifically which model works on which portion of your video, click on this question mark, and you will see detailed information of all of this AI model. Then from the upscale menu, you can select your video upscale option. You can upscale up to 4K, or you can do custom resolution. If you enable the turbo mode, it will optimize your interface speed, but the video will be low quality. Using the edit option, you can rotate your video clip, crop your video clip, and add multiple tracks. Using the color option, you can color grade or change the color of your video footage. Using the frame interpolation option, you can increase the frame rate of your videos. This option will be very helpful to create slow motion video. Then we have the audio denoise option. If your video footage has audio and you want to remove the noise from the audio, you can check this option. Then using the export setting, you can select the format of your exported videos. And from the export path, you can select your export video footage path. So that is the interface. If I go to my downloads folder, here you can see I have some sample videos. So let's try with the detail option. First, let's open the sample video. Here you can see the video quality is not good enough. There are some blur and there is no detailed are available in this video. Now let's upscale this video. So for this, what you need to do, you have to drag and drop that video to this interface. Then click on preview and it will download the MO Detail HQ model and it will let you see the before and after quality of that video. Here you can see the before and the after quality of your video footage. You can see it increased slightly. Also, if you want more details, from here you can select the upscale 4. I'm gonna keep it X2. Now if I want to export the video, click here, select the export path. For me, I'm going to select the upscale videos, then click on export current and it will export the video. You have to wait until the exporting get completed. Okay, so guys, upscaling has been completed. Now click on open to open the upscaled folder and here you can see the upscaled video. Now let's open that video to see the difference. And here you can see the video is enhanced, the blur is removed and there is more details are in the video. Okay, now let's use another video with another AI model. Now I'm going to use this denoise video footage. Let's see the sample video. Here you can see the sample video. It has many noise in the video footage. Now let's denoise this video. I'm going to select that video and drag and drop here. Then from the model, I'm going to select Super Video VHQ model. It's going to download the AI model. Then after downloading get completed, it will show us the before and after result. So give it a little bit time. So guys, here you can see the result. This is the before and this is the after. It's completely remove all of the noise from the video. Now again, if you want to export that upscale and denoise video, click on export current and it will start exporting the video. So guys, like this, using this AIRT Video Enhancer application, you can easily upscale your low quality video up to 4K. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SSTec tutorial and I'm signing off.